Cooking with Color!
We're making jackfruit chickpea tacos.
Thanks for homemade corn tortillas.
Yes, Masa Harina. This is the main star of our recipe today. The corn tortillas.
And this is the co-star, the BBQ Jackfruit.
Hi, co-star.
And it grows on trees. It's a tropical fruit. It's hundreds to thousands of flower petals. And that's what we're eating. So we're gonna do 2 cups.
Uh-oh.
It's all right.
Perfect. Clean kitchen is a happy kitchen. Something like this way comes live and gentle of frost.
Place them in the bowl. You can sing it a little bit.
Good night.
Oh wait, please hear a snap. Lots of fiber, lots of protein, really healthy. We're gonna take small sections, like a little ball like this. You know what a golf ball looks like?
Yeah.
Maybe just the size. Let's focus on the size of a golf ball, okay?
1, 2, 3.
That's nice. We can make mini tacos. These are like appetizer size.
1, 2, 3.
Ooh, good one. I'm gonna make the slaw at the same time, okay?
Let's see. Show it. 1, 2, 3. It's ripping a little.
Do you want to make more?
Yeah.
All right, go for it.
Eat it. It has. Anybody who's watching this, buy my mom's cookbook. It's called Bottom of the Pot.
Nas.
De la viande. Persian.
Oh. A lime shower. It's a citrus shower.
Good. That one on?
Yeah, it's right here.
Oh. Oops. It's organic again. Yay!
Hey.
What's it? Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Are we allowed to have 2?
Yeah, I'm gonna make more.
A day in a row.
Yeah, I've got it. Square one. We have fun, guys?
Uh-huh. Oh, yeah.
Let me see.
Oh,
Thanks for watching, everybody.
Be inspired, get creative, and include the kids. Mamma mia, here I go again. My, how can I resist you? Mamma mia, does it show again? My, just how much I missed you.
Good flavor.
A
What's
little bit of sourness.
sourness? But I'm thinking of something else. And it starts with a T. Whoa,
Taste.
that's really weird.
Taste.
It's kind of like haunting.
It's the ghost.
Taste.
Taste, yes. That was really weird.